In this video, I want to show you how to make a pivot table using Google Sheets. I have an example of pretend people buying pretend candy. Imagine this use case is that you've exported something from your client's point of sale system, Stripe, Square, I don't care what, and you need to summarize how much was sold so you can have a total for each of the categories. That's the whole point of this video. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to Insert at the top of Google Sheets. You'll go down to Pivot Table. It's asking where the data range is, and so I just say it starts with client name and it ends with the last dollar value. Then I'll select OK. It asks where you want this information to go. I have an option of having it go to a new sheet, which I will definitely never find again. Or I can have it go to the existing sheet, and I'm like, it'd be really great if you could just put it right here with the rest of my stuff. So I'm going to put my cursor in each one. It doesn't matter where I put it. I'm just saying, where do I want the pivot table to go? So I select OK, I select Create, cross my fingers. I have the option for rows and columns. And so rows are the things that are down here and columns are the things over here. And then values is the stuff in the middle. So for the rows, I want all the different kinds of stuff that's being sold. In this example, it's not a long list. I've done this for clients, restaurants who have an incredibly long list, and I just need it to go up and down. My mouse scrolls up and down. It doesn't scroll side to side. So it's easier for me to see what's being sold as a row. So I can go to the right. I can say rows and add. What do I want to add in my rows? Things sold. So I'm like, okay, cool. Now, what values do I want? I don't really care what the columns are. I care what the values are. Those will magically go in the columns. So I'll go to values and I'll select add. Things I want. I want the gross price. Yes. Also, to make my job easier in the future, I want tax and I want fees. So I don't actually care how much the tax is for each of these categories. I don't care the fees for each of the categories. From here, what I have is information that I can enter into my accounting software, QuickBooks, Xero, whatever, and I can grab, I'm just highlighting it so you can see what I really care about. Okay, so, I highlighted the wrong thing. Hold on. I want this to be consistent, even though I'm going to delete it when I'm done. Oh, that was even worse. All right, so with this, I can see how much was sold in candy, chips, and ice cream. And then I can see the total of the tax collected and the total of the fees paid. From here, you can work your magic in the accounting software. I just want to show you what this looks like as the numbers change. If they change on the left, they'll change in the pivot table. So that's it. If you're a person using Excel and not Google Sheets, I have a similar video with the same data set where I do this in Excel. Okay, thanks. Bye.